How to set up a Google Ads account. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add Google Ads to yourself, like you can set up a Google Ads account. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to head over to Google Ads, this site. Here you can see this Google Ads. You can just tap onto it, and after tapping onto it you can simply go and create your Google Ads account in a very simple steps, which I'm going to show you right now. So after coming to this site, here you can see these two options right here. Then one is sign in and the another one is start now. So sign in is for the people who have already a Google Ads account, and start now is for the fully beginners, like who are just starting out with Google Ads. So let's tap on to start now for now. Now after tapping on to start now, again tap on to start now, let it load. So let the page load, and then we are going to show you the next steps. So as you can see, I already have an account, so let me just sign out of my account. Okay, let me show you with another one. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to go again. So now let's simply tap on the start now option, and after tapping on to start now, you'll be able to start out to create your own Google Ads account from here. As you can see, you just have to log into your Google Ads account, and after logging into your Google Ads account, here you can see something. You have to create your first campaign. If you want, you can create your first campaign, and if you don't, you can just cancel it up by clicking any site. Okay, so let me show you how you can create a campaign. Of course, because without any campaign you don't actually need Google Ads, because Google Ads is basically for creating product campaigns and boost the sales of products. So you have to enter your business name right here. Like, you should enter your business name to make it more professional, but if you don't want, you can just skip this part. And then here you can see this enter web page URL. If you have an online store, for example Shopify store or AliExpress, if you sell on AliExpress or Amazon, you can just enter your e-commerce store's link here, and you can also tap onto your app download page, and then you can just tap onto add. If you want to promote your mobile app, to search onto YouTube, Google Play, etc., you can just tap onto add. Then you have to choose that what type of app you want to boost. For example, if you want to boost it for Android or iOS, you can just choose them up from here. So you can just choose them up. Now you have to enter the app's name and then tap done. But before that, you should also add your app onto your Google Ads account. Now from here, after adding all this information, for example, I'm gonna tap onto next. Okay, let me copy random stores link. For example, this one, I'm gonna just copy this one and then paste it over to Google Ads. Then you have to tap next. Then you have to enter some you have to link your account from here with YouTube channel, mobile app, Google business profile, phone number, etc. Also, you can skip this stage, but if you really want to boost your sales, then you must link your accounts. I would suggest that link up your every single account from here, like your YouTube account, mobile app. You can skip this part if you're not if you do not want to marketing boost your mobile apps, like if you do not want to promote your mobile app. That's it. And you can add your Google business profile, and you can add your phone number. So you can skip mobile app and phone number, these two steps, but you should add YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, and then Google business profile. And for now, let me skip this part, otherwise the video will be too long. Now you have to choose a goal, that what you want Google Ads for, like what is your campaign about, why do you want to create your campaign, for purchases, for submit lead form, phone leads, page views, brand awareness, etc. You can choose any of them. For example, I'm going to tap onto purchases, and after tapping onto purchases, you can enter your Shopify link up here. You can enter the URL that someone reaches after completing a purchase. Like here, there you can also set up manually using code after you create the campaign. You just have to choose the ones that you wish to go with, and then you can just simply tap next, and then you can add your search themes and etc. Now you can add search themes. Okay, like you have to choose some words or phrases that people use when searching for your products or services. For example, I'm gonna tap onto there you go, etc. You just have to enter all those informations, then you can tap onto next. So after tapping onto next, you are about to go to create your first ad on Google Ads here. So this is the final URL for your ad. Now here you can see this. You can add some descriptions about your products, like here you can see e-commerce and retail store, e-commerce, etc. You can choose them up, and after choosing editing all of them, you can just tap onto generate assets, and after tapping onto generate assets, so this is what it will look like. For example, logo sellers, here you can see this one, and you can check out on the Gmails. Like this is the interface that how they will look like when you send promotional emails or you boost your ad, etc. So like on Gmail it will look like this, on YouTube it will look like this, on the search bar, like if you search it up for it, it will look like something like this. Now you can just edit them. You can also upload images from here. You can just tap on the plus icon, then you can upload your image very easily. So after choosing your image, you just have to tap on to save. So there we go, the images has been added. So now the images will be shown on your ads. For example, like this, you just have to enter your product images, and then you can just tap next, and after tapping onto next, you are good to go, and tap next again. You can enter headlines, etc. You can customize every single thing according to your need and depending on your need and preferences, and then you just have to tap next and follow all the steps. Keep tapping next after following all these steps, and then you are good to go. Your ad will be run successfully. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Add this one too, and also like this video, toggle the bell icon on, and let me know in the comment section that what videos you want to see in the future. So till then, take care, goodbye, and you are good to go. And you have to answer some basic questions from here, like your conversations, values, and then next, and lastly you have to enter payment details, and then your job is done and your ads will be run successfully. Choose your custom budget from here, and then you can tap next, and your ad will run successfully. So goodbye, see you on to another video.